Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the twist lock heater clip that secures the heating element for this GE dishwasher. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The twist locking heater clip secures the heating element in place inside the dishwasher's tub. It keeps the element properly positioned so it can heat the water and assist with drying without shifting during operation. Over time, the clip can bend, loosen, or break from heat exposure, vibration, or repeated cycles. When this happens, the heating element may move out of position or fail to stay sealed against the tub. If the heater clip fails, you may notice heating issues, water leaks around the heater mounting area, or the element sitting loose inside the tub. Replacing a damaged heater clip restores proper support for the heating element and helps prevent leaks and heating problems. If you need to purchase a replacement heater clip for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Tools needed for this repair: a 1/4-inch nut driver or socket. To remove the damaged heater clip, first open the dishwasher's door and pull out and remove the lower rack. Locate the broken or damaged clip and remove the 1/4-inch fastener. Once the fastener is removed, hang on to it for use later. The new heater clip does not come with the replacement screw. Twist the holder to release it from the bottom of the tub. You can now discard the old clip. If you need a replacement heater clip, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones that we sell at partsdoctor.com. We've included a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact fit. Before installing the new heater clip, inspect the other twist lock clip to be sure that it's not bent or broken. If the clip is damaged, it should be replaced. To install the new heater clip, slide the clip over the heating element into place. The smaller tab on the tub goes into the long, curved cutout on the clip. Once the clip is on both tabs, rotate the clip to lock it into place. Insert and tighten the 1/4-inch hex head screw. Reinstall the lower dish rack and close the door. Your appliance is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with the Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.